Today, I'm tackling a topic that's on every homeowner's radar, and it's weatherproofing your home. Because let's face it, storms, extreme temperatures, and unexpected weather aren't waiting for an RSV. So how ready is your home to handle it?
Weatherproofing isn't just a trend, it's a smart investment. Not only does it protect your biggest asset, but it can also save you money on energy bills and costly repairs. Plus, it's easier than you think. Let's break it down by budget-friendly steps, smart mid-range upgrades, and big-ticket investments.
So let's start with the basics: weather stripping and caulking. These small fixes cost about $350 and can seal drafts around windows, doors, and even those pesky gaps where cables or pipes enter your home. Think of it as putting your home in a warm blanket for winter.
And don't overlook your doors. Adding a door sweep at the bottom can stop drafts in their tracks, keeping the cold out and the heat in.
Now let's talk insulation. Did you know that nearly 90% of homes in America are under insulated? Adding attic insulation costing around $1,700 to $2,000 can drastically reduce heat loss in the winter and keep your home cool in the summer. Bonus, it helps prevent pipes in the attic from freezing and bursting during extreme cold.
While you're up here, check for any signs of leaks or pests. Your attic is like your home's early warning system, catching small issues before they become big problems.
Here's a tip for all you nature lovers. Plant windbreaks. These are strategically placed trees and shrubs which can reduce wind running around your home by up to 50%. And it cuts down on heating costs and adds some serious curb appeal. At about $200 per tree, it's a great long-term investment.
Looking to go a step further, consider an energy audit. A professional can pinpoint air leaks, inefficient appliances, and more. Prices ranges from $400 to $600, but some utility companies even offer them for free. Trust me, the insights are worth it.
And let's not forget your windows. Low E-film or thermal curtains are great for reducing heat loss in winter and keeping your home cool in the summer. It's an easy upgrade that makes a noticeable difference, and it's doable for under $600.
Finally, your roof. A well-maintained roof is your home's first line of defense against storms. If it's time for a replacement, consider weatherproof materials like metal or hail-resistant shingles. Yes, it's a bigger investment, upwards of $9,000, but the protection and peace of mind are priceless.
So whether you're prepping for storms, snow, or extreme heat, weatherproofing is your home's superhero cape. From quick DIY fixes to bigger upgrades, there's a solution for every budget. So if you have any questions or need advice, I'm just a call away. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, your home is your sanctuary no matter the weather.